Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. We have made it halfway through the week. Yay! Yes, yes, yes. All right, so today is April 29th. We are almost to the month of May. I want to go ahead and get started with our blended learning lesson for today. All right, so today your task will be complete your spiral review, complete your problems of the day. You have a weekly science assignment that you'll be completing, and I want to see a lot more of you get onto Education Galaxy or Clever to do some practice. All right. So as we have been doing as of late, let's go ahead and let's really go ahead and get started with our spiral review for today. So the first thing that we have is we have 5 problems like we've been working on the past 2 days. The first one that we're going to be doing is we're going to be comparing the numbers. So we're going to be using greater than, less than, or equal to compare these two numbers. And remember, your first number is compared to your second number, okay? So let's look at it and see what we can come up with. Our number that we have is 6,399 compared to 2,911. Okay, so we have to look at this number right here, 6,399, and we have to decide, is that greater than, less than, or is it the same or equal to 2,911? Okay, and once again, the question mark just represents which one of these that you would put right here. All right, so for number 2, we are stepping it up even a little further with our math today, and I was super impressed with the answers that I got yesterday on the problem that you have for number 2. So give yourself some snaps. That was me giving you some snaps. All right, so for number 2, you have 400 times 10. And remember, we're looking for the product, and the product is the answer to a multiplication equation, okay? So 400 times 10, that's what you're working with. Number 3, you have 28 divided by 4, and we're looking for the quotient. The quotient is the answer to a division problem, all right? And then we come down here to number 4, and we're talking about the sweet, cute little puppies that Miss Washington is allergic to, but she still thinks are adorable. There are 10 puppies in the animal shelter. 3 puppies have short hair. Yes, 3 puppies have short hair, 3 puppies have long hair, and 4 puppies have curly hair. What fraction of the puppies have long hair? Okay? And then last but not least, number 5, Trinity was born in 2006. How old is she in 2014? All right, so our friend Trinity, she was born in 2006, not 2016, 2006. How old is she in 2014? Okay, that is your spiral review for today. All right, so I was super proud of you guys yesterday. I feel like this chart, it worked. Some of you were able to understand the misconceptions you had the day before, and so you were able to work them out. And I feel like we could just go over it again today, and this will just give you some more practice and reassurance to letting you know that yes, you got it right. All right, so it's the same one as yesterday. So if you don't need the refresher, you can skip past this part. All right, so let's look at our problem. We have 3 100ths plus 6 tenths. All right, so the first thing that we look at is we realize that both our denominators are not the same. This one is 100 and this one is 10. But we realize that they have some things in common. So they look relatively similar, but they're not. But that's good. They look almost the same. So the first thing that we want to do is we want both fractions to have the same denominator. All right, so then we will have to change the fraction with the denominator of 10, which is this one, to make the denominator 100. So let's go ahead and focus on this one right here. 10 times what will give you 100? When we know our multiplication facts, we know that 10 times 10 will give us 100. All right, so we know that we're going to focus on this fraction right here, and we said that 10 times 10 will give us 100. So we know that our fraction with the 10 right here, we're going to take it and we're going to multiply it by 100. By 10 to get 100. So we multiply the whole thing, and we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. We know that 6 times 10 is 60, and 10 times 10 is 100, okay? That gives us a new answer of 60 100ths. Now, both of our fractions have the same denominator. Now we can add them together. So now we're going to bring down our first fraction, which is 3 100ths, plus 60 100ths, and that gives us 63 100ths. You're not adding your denominators, you're only going to add your numerators, and 3 plus 60 is 63. Okay, so if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will be here to help you and guide you along the way. But I want to say good job to everyone who was able to work through their problems that they had with it on Monday. Yesterday, I saw lots of improvement, and I was very, very, very proud of you guys. All right, so today your problems are the same concept that we've been working on. So I really want you to focus in on these problems right here, and I really want you to think back to looking at the number with the denominator of 10, what you need to do to make it have a denominator of 100, and make sure you do that, then add. All right, so let's look at our first problem. Number 1, 6/10 plus 36 100ths. Remember, focus on this one first. Get your first answer, then add it to this one. All right, number 2, 65 100ths plus 1/10. Focus on this one. Get your answer first for this one, then go back and add it to this one. All right, and then your last one, 26 100ths plus 5/10. Focus in on this one first, then go back and add it to this one. All right, so if you have any questions about these, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Like I said, you've been doing amazing with this. Yesterday, I was so happy and so proud of all the work that you guys did. All right, and as always, if you want to watch a cool math video, and I think they're cool, so what can I say? If you want to watch a cool math video, you're more than welcome to watch the one that I have linked below. Or if you find another one, then you can watch that. This will just give you extra practice and show you a more step-by-step process that you can go through if you want to pause and watch along as you solve your problems. All right, and as always, I want to see your work, Class Dojo, or text message. I know some of you had Class Dojo me at like 7 or 8, and I didn't respond because I was like, Miss Washington, Miss Washington, she has to go to bed. So if I don't get to you, if you submit it to me about 7 or 8 and I don't get to you, I promise I will get to you first thing in the morning, okay? So Class Dojo, text message, email, if you still want to do that, that is perfectly fine with me. All right, so we're just doing one science assignment a week right now. So if you've already did it yesterday, that is perfectly fine. And if you want to do another one, I would love to see another idea. Or if you didn't have a chance to do it yesterday, you're welcome to do it today. So we're going to be focusing on speed and collision, okay? So what I want you to do is demonstrate using any objects in your home what might happen when two objects collide. Draw a picture to show what you observed and why do you think that occurred. As I said yesterday, do not start taking things from around your house and colliding them together. Do not do that unless you have your parents' permission. But I want you to think about what happens when two things collide into each other. Was one of them moving? Were they both moving? I want you to think about that. And I want you to draw me a picture of what happened. Remember, you could think back to the experiment we did with the marbles and how they were rolling together and how that changed some things. But like I said, if you did it yesterday, that is fine. If you want to do another one, I would love to see another one. And if you didn't have time, I would love for you to do it today. All right, so I have included two science videos for you. One is actually on speed and the other one is on collision. So this gives you two understandings about what they are, each topic is about, and how they kind of work together. All right, remember, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am here for you. I want you to remember you are loved, you are missed, and you got this. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I want everyone to have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, guys.